Hello and welcome to my studio. This is Sanawali. Today I'm making a small, really small tutorial for Tim Holtz stamping platform. As some of my friends just said they were having problem with stamping the images clear because they were like we are having problem. It's not the whole stamp is not clear, so I just thought I would give a little bit of details. I hope you guys understand and the tutorial is good for you guys. Okay, as you can see, this is the Tim Holtz stamping platform, the largest one. The maximum of here is inches is 8 inches, right? um, as you can see, the stamping platform, you open it like this, right? This is the platform and this is the acrylic top, so where you have the you stick the stamps. The thing is, most of you guys don't know why there is written rubber over here and clear over here. As you can see, clear is upside down and rubber is here, right? This is written over here, it's written rubber. And I guess most of you guys don't know why this is not really attached to it. This is like you can just take it off, right? As you can see, you can take it off. The reason of this is the rubber, as you can see, the rubber over here is clear. It's on top. If you can see it, if you feel it, it's on top, right? The reason for this is the rubber, when this rubber is over here on top, you are using your rubber stamps over here, right? The brown ones, the red ones. And if you turn it like this, your clear stamp is written over here, the bottom of your stamping platform. I hope I can explain it properly. As you can see it over here. Now I will tell you why this is. Let me show you. See, again I'm turning to the rubber side on top of it. One thing, when I was trying this out, and I myself didn't know what was wrong with it because I had the same issue ages back when I started using the stamping platform. But then I realized I actually saw Tim Hall's live video on YouTube, tutorial, sorry. And on his tutorial he did say he did give the details. Later on I remembered that there should be a tutorial, and he did give the details that why there is rubber over here and why there is clear over here. So the rubber on top, as you can see over here, I will show you. As you can see over here, this is a little bit thicker, and you will be able to see it over here. I have my cell phone in my hand to show you guys clearly why it is like this. See, over here there is thickness over here, right? And over here, the inside one, there is nothing there. Why it is there? Because if you use your rubber, this is the rubber side, right? And this is when you are using your rubber. I will make another tutorial for the rubber stamps. Right now I don't have it, so I will go ahead and do the clear stamps tutorial for now. See, this is deep. As you can see, there is nothing here. This is deep. So if you want to use the clear one, the thin one, which obviously are really thin because they are transparent stamps, you turn it like this. See, over here it's clear. Now what will be there? The thickness. Remember the thickness I showed you over here? See, here it is. Here it is. This is the thickness for your transparent stamps. Why? I will show you now. Now you put it back inside like this. I'm using my one hand because obviously my camera is on my another hand, and I will definitely try to show you as clearly as possible. Okay, one more thing, one important thing before I go ahead and show you how to stamp on this stamping platform. Whenever you are stamping, no matter what brand you have, just remember your bottom should be really thick. Like, it should not be plastic. You cannot use a stamping platform on top of a plastic table or something soft at the bottom of your stamping platform. Secondly, as you can see over here, there is a soft mat under the stamping platform. This is here because you can easily like use it. It will not move. You can like open it and close it, open it and close it. This will not be moving even if you are using one hand, right? Okay, now I will start and show you the main thing. There are two magnets on this with this stamping platform. I am using a white cardstock today to show you the simplest of stamping technique. A really simple one or a basic one, you can say. Okay, here is the thing. What I'm doing right now is, as you can see, I'm putting my I'm setting my cardstock. This is a normal cardstock, normal cardstock, right? I have put this from 2 inches, right? If I need anything or need to set this thing up because the whole thing is straight, I'm putting it, keeping it, trying to make it straighter, so I don't have any problem while I'm stamping. Okay, and I will be using this clear stamp to show you guys. I hope I can do justice to this, and it's clear, right? I've put it where I wanted the stamp and close my door of the stamping platform. Here I'm pressing a little bit. You can press a little bit, there is no issues with that. Okay, and before you start doing it, just check everything, that everything is set up, there is no problem with it. Open it up. As you can see, here's the stamp. I'm using VersaFine Onyx Black. Over here I am stamping. I will stamp the whole image and show you if there is any problem or anything wrong going on. I will still explain. Even if mine does not stamp, I will still show you the other technique where if you are still having any kind of problem. I mainly if I'm using a black ink pad to stamp my image, I mainly just try to stamp it as dark as possible, as this one is almost out of ink, so it can be that it goes a little bit lighter. I hope I'm explaining it properly, and even if you have any problems, kindly let me know. I will definitely try to explain it again. Now this is closing up. Okay, there are two things. Right now I don't have anything. You can keep a cotton cloth with you if you are having problem, if you have any hand problems or anything, and you can easily rub it off like this on the whole thing. Your stamp will not your image will not be ruined, because obviously just keep it light when you are pressing it, so you guys don't have any problem with your hands or anything like that. I usually do it like this. This is how I feel. Okay, so here I was stamping my image, the floral image, and I've just pressed it a little bit, not much, as you can see, and I'm opening it right in front of you. This is a beautiful and crisp image of my stamp. Like, seriously, see, this is like I have not done anything, as you can see. I will still show you a clear image. This is only one time. I will stamp the stamp. I will ink the stamp again to show you guys that it can go darker if you use it second time. But see, these are the delicate design. This is the delicate design, right? There has been no problem with stamping it. So just to show you guys and give you the details why you guys are having problem, that was the main thing, that you have to change your acrylic top and bottom, the your cover, sorry, your cover, you have to change your cover from rubber to clear and clear to rubber to use it in two different things. And see, I have not even used anything at the bottom of my cardstock. As you can see, this is the easiest thing and easy tutorial for using Tim Holtz stamping platform. As you can see, my magnets were one was here and one was there, so my cardstock did not move the whole time and I had no problem stamping it. I am making this tutorial on the floor because I don't have any hard surface to stamp it on. So honestly speaking, I am always stamping on a floor. Whenever I'm stamping, I'm using my floor to stamp it seriously. And when I'm doing anything else, I have a small table. That's how I work right now. So and here you go. The second time I stamped it, the second time there is no problem with the stamp. As you can see, the whole image is crystal clear, right? Okay, now other thing, I will take off the I will remove the magnets and show you. I have not put anything under it, as you can see, right? There is nothing under it. As you can see, this was a normal cardstock, white cardstock, and the image is really beautiful. It just stamped up really beautifully. Okay, secondly, I will be using one more stamp. I am taking it off. As you can see, the this cover is really nice, like the stamps stick really nicely on it and you don't have any problem with it. I have never had any problem over here. Right now I will be using one of the Sentis I have. And secondly, I forgot to mention that I will be mentioning the details for my stamps at the bottom of my video, so you guys can check if you would like, would like to see, check out the stamps. So okay, by the way, I have not really used the stamp. This is really new, so I don't know how crisp it would stamp. I'm hoping it is a good one. It stamps up good. Okay, I've just put this the cardstock over here a little bit to make it easier for me to stamp it out. I'm giving it a little bit of space, so it depends what I want to do with it. I don't know what I will be doing here with it, but yes, I will see what I can come up with this one. Here we go again, and VersaFine Black Onyx stamp. See, this is the new stamp. As you can see, I have not once used this. As you can see the black lines over here, you will know and understand, you will know that this will be stamping out really beautifully. You can change the colors if you want later on, do half one color, half other color. That also can be done. That I will make another video for this one. And as you can see, I have a really bad habit of doing it like this. I'm not sure if this is good or not for my stamping up, but most of the time it does not damage my image. So I'm not really sure if I've done it right way or not. Let's see how it comes up, because I've done it right in front of you. this was only one time. As you can see, this is really delicate. The whole thing is delicate. I have not done anything. There is nothing at the bottom of this cardstock. I have not really done anything with it. I will stamp again to make it a little bit darker, because obviously I will most probably do something about this design. Not sure yet what, but definitely try to do something with it. I know my bottom was over here was lighter, and the bottom one was lighter. Why I'm doing this is because to show you guys that the stamping platform is really good. Please let me know how you like my tutorial, and if it was helpful or not. I will definitely try to make a better one if it does not if there is still any problem. Here you go, a better view. A really beautiful stamp, a really beautiful stamped up image. As you can see, there is not a single space, as few of my friends were having. I really hope this helped my friends to understand that what they were doing wrong. As I said, that you just have to change your you simply have to change your cover from the top to the bottom. I'm using the clear one, which is here on top, and here is the bottom one. It is the other way around. The fonts are other way around at the bottom, and I will be getting used to making tutorials. So obviously if there were any problem with me speaking or anything, I hope you guys don't mind, and hopefully I will definitely try to make more tutorials for you guys. And secondly, please do comment and give feedback on my tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.